It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. Real quick, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. In this video, I'm sharing one of my recent bathroom remodels. It's actually a basement laundry bathroom combo. The homeowner had an unfinished basement, and she hired me to design the family room and to add a bathroom to the already existing laundry area. While the contractors were busy putting in the studs and the sheetrock and the Durarock and all of that good stuff, I was busy making design selections. And in no time at all, before I knew it, it was time to put those design choices into action. For my paint colors, I selected Sherwin-Williams Indigo Batik, and the surrounding walls were painted Sherwin-Williams Ice Cube. The shower floor is a multi-gray penny mosaic. The shower walls and the bathroom floor are a matte porcelain tile. Although located in the basement, this room does have two really good-sized windows. They let in good light, but we still decided to paint the room mostly white so the light would really bounce around the room. I added a touch of warmth using a spice-stained butcher block countertop. Ready for the room tour? Let's go. Encasing the washer and dryer with that butcher block top adds a great additional work surface. And you can't beat having extra storage. I also designed a double-duty vanity area and a folding station. When the homeowner has guests staying over in the family room next door, they have a place to use the restroom and freshen up. The shower area is high-end, roomy, and luxurious. I chose something a little less traditional by using hooks to hang the towels as opposed to using a towel bar. With the bathroom being located here in the basement, the homeowner was concerned about window privacy. I suggested a window privacy film, had it installed, and the homeowner loves it. Let me know what you think about window privacy film in the comment section below. With the newly remodeled family room doubling as a guest room right next door, this homeowner can feel comfortable having friends and family sleep over and throw lots of parties. The folding station is set at counter height, and it has just enough room under it to have multiple baskets to hold clothes ready for the washer. Real quick, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video because I certainly enjoyed designing this space and sharing it with you. This bathroom laundry combo is ready for prime time. It's a time saver and, for the homeowner, a lifesaver. Thank you so much for swinging by my channel. Why don't you go ahead and click a link and watch one of my videos right now? Hey, you might even binge watch a few. So I will see you in the next video.